Spark is a camera-first video editor. Every project begins with a camera where you can record multiple clips. Just press and hold on the screen to record a clip. When you release your finger, it stops recording. You can do this multiple times to record multiple clips, which all show up as different colors in the circular ring in the center. When you're ready, press play in the bottom right to watch your video. From here, you can add a filter by swiping left. If you want to change the opacity of a filter, just slide your finger down. To add a song, tap on the music button in the bottom right and choose a song. Once you've chosen a song, you can change the starting point of that song by dragging the waveform. Spark has many more tools that help you fine-tune your video, like trimming, rearranging clips, deleting clips, and transitions. When you're done editing your video, tap on the Save button in the top right to save your video to your camera roll, and then share on Instagram or any other platform you'd like. Have fun sparking.